In this video, we are discuss history of intellectual property right in India. The history of intellectual property rights in India can be traced back to the British colonial period when the first copyright and patent laws were introduced in the mid 19th century. However, these laws were primarily designed to serve the interest of British entrepreneurs and did not take into account the needs and aspirations of Indian inventors and creators. After India gained independence in 1947, the government took several steps to promote indigenous innovations and creativity and protect the intellectual property right for India citizens. In 1957, the Indian Patent Act was enacted, which established a system of patent registration and protection that was more accessible and affordable for Indian inventors and entrepreneurs. In the 1970 and 1960, the Indian government implemented a series of policies to promote self-reliance and reduce dependence on foreign technology and capital. These policies included the development of indigenous technologies, the creations of public research institutions, and the establishment of a legal framework that allowed for the compulsory license of patent in certain cases of national interest. The present scenario of intellectual property right in India in the 1980s and 1990s, India begins to open up its economy and integrate with the global market, which lead to a greater emphasis on the protection of intellectual property rights as a means to attract foreign investment and technology. In 1994, India becomes a signatory to the Agreement on Trade-related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights under the World Trade Organization, which requires India to bring its intellectual property laws in line with international trade. Since then, India has revised its intellectual property laws several times to comply with its obligation under TRIPS and other international agreements, while also trying to balance an interest of domestic inventors and consumers with those of foreign corporations. Some of the key reforms include the introduction of product patents for pharmaceutical in 2005, the amendment of the Copyright Act in 2012, the adoption of a national IPR policy in 2016 to promote innovations, entrepreneurship, and access to knowledge.